¿Esto qué son?
Es la comida que comen ellas. Son como piedra, no sé qué cosa será, pero
¿Semillas?
semillas donde agarran comida. Ahorita el corazón, míralo. 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 Ahí está.
¿Ahora qué? ¿Ahora qué?
Le voy a hacer que se escurra.
Se va a dejar resbalar.
Voy a estirar esto.
No, espérate.
Ya.
Literally the worst moment that I've ever witnessed was my dad skinning a bird. Oh. Nah. Can't believe that killed it. With this baby right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can't believe I killed it with that thing. That thing would do. That mine. Sportsman 900 has a scope, but it don't work. Best part is, it's a hunting rifle. You do that, you have to pump it right here. But it has to wear safety though. Like that. You see this thing right here? Let's push it front. It's on fire. Push it back. It's on safety. But Sportsman 900, baby. Yeah. I killed it with that right there. That. It's a good view. A few moments later. see this thing right there? That's the heart. That thing right there is the heart. Ugh. Anyway guys, I hope you liked my video for today. I don't know if I'm gonna do some more hunting videos, but I probably am. So if I kill a deer with my cousins or a bird, which I don't know if I will do it again, but if I kill a bird, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a video of it. And hope you liked my channel, hope you liked my videos, and leave a like in the comment section below. Well, leave a comment if you want, leave a like for some more hunting videos and for some more killing birds. Peace out.